question is nth palindromic prime. So I should write a logic both for a palindrome and then prime also. Yeah. So first I will write for that. Then I will check for a condition which satisfies, which checks both the palindrome and prime. And then I'll go for a nth palindromic prime. I don't know, it got stuck, guys. I'll stop sharing, it is stuck. Yeah. So here a function is given for nth palindromic prime. So first I'll start with the logic for the prime. Then I will go for palindrome. So my function is saying prime. So maybe I should check for whether it is true or false. So I'll return true or false. And then one more function I need to write for palindrome. And then I should return whether it is a palindrome or not. Okay. So first I'll write logic for prime. So basically I should check given number is prime or not. I will try to check if it is dividing with any number or not till the given number. So if it is divisible, meaning I can return false. That means it is not a prime number. Or else I can return a true from that prime. So I want to just check with the prime logic first. Inconsistent use of tabs and spaces. Either I can give a 4 spaces or tabs. True, false. Still, it is showing me inconsistent tabs. Inconsistent use of tabs. True. So I'm giving a number. Just I'll check whether it is a prime or not. True. True. False. Okay. So I will check. Now my prime logic is ready, and now I can check palindrome. What is the logic for palindrome? I don't know what is a palindrome. I think I can check. Palindrome is a word sequence of characters which reads the same backward as forward. So I'm thinking it is the given number, the reverse of that number is same or not. So I should check. I should get the reverse of the given number. So I will start with getting a reverse value. And then what will I get? I will divide it by 10 so that I will get a digit value. Digit value I'll get by dividing more 10. And then I'll store it. And then what should I do? I'll see if I'm getting the values digit by digit or not. First, okay. And then I have to continuously do till it becomes 0. What I need to print, I need to get the digits. So I'm checking this function. So I am calling here prime, not palindrome. So I need to change for palindrome. So for palindrome, I'll give 1 to 3. Oh my god. It is continuously. I'm checking, I guess. That means there was some error. So what is that? x mod 10 and
Integer division.
it, yeah, yeah. Let me check it. Giving 1 to 3, got 3 to 1. So I got the digits from back. But now I need to form a reverse number. So I need to get the places, units places. So I need to multiply it with 10 and then see. So whatever the remainder I'm getting, I'll add to it and then I'll multiply with 10 so that I'll get places correctly. Let's see if I'm getting right or not. So for the first time I got 3 because it is reverse. Initially it is 0. 0 into 10 is 0 plus r, so that is 3. So I got first place, it is printed. But the next time, whatever the previously got value is 3, 3 into 10, 30, 30 plus now 2 I got, so it is 32. So in the next iteration, 32 into 10, 320 plus 1, 321. So I should get 321 as a number. I got finally the value. Now this is my reverse value. Finally, I'm doing this reverse also. I got it. So if I print finally reverse value, I should just get the number. Three 21 I got 123. Check with one more value. Okay, fine. Everything is looking fine. Let's see if I'm getting for single digit also. No issues. Okay, I got the reverse. Now what I should check? I should check if my reverse is equal to given number. If it is true, I'll return true, or else I will return false. So I got the palindrome. See. Why? Because it is not a palindrome. We'll give another value. Oh, it's a palindrome. 1 to 1 is a palindrome, but still I got a false. Shall we debug? Here we got the value as 3, whatever the value, 3 to 1 I got it. I will try once and print x also. X I got as 0. Reverse this 3 to 1, but x I got it as a 0. Why? Because by the end of this loop, my x would become 0. So I will store that x in some other variable. Some is equal to x. Maybe we can call it as a some temp or something, whatever it may be, so that my original value doesn't get changed. So now I will check instead of x with temp. Now I got 3 to 1 as reverse, and 1 to 3 is my original value. But still, yeah, it is, since both are not equal, it is returning false. Suppose now if I give 1 to 1, both are equal, so I'll get true. Let me check one more value. I got true. Let me check one value. Got true. Okay, fine. Now my palindrome is also working perfect. So since I got both the palindrome logic and prime logic, now I think I can check here. What is the first test case for nth palindromic value? 0 is 2 and 10 is 3, 1, 3. So I'll try to write a loop like the previous logic. Can use that logic because it's same. I didn't get it. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Okay. Going to use the same logic for this also. So this perfect number I should call the prime and palindrome. Everything is looking perfect. If my number is satisfying both the conditions, I'll be returning that value. And everything is looking same, correct? So I didn't get anything. 0. So I should call here nth palindromic prime. And then see, it is not ending at all. Gone into infinite loop. Why? X has become 0. Since x is 0, and in our loop it is never going to become a 0, so it doesn't. So from where should we start? Shall we start I equal to 0 or 1? Where should we start? We should try with like 0. Still it is not ending. I is equal to I plus 1. Is prime, then palindrome. We will check individually what this is printing. Prime of I, or else I will first check with print statement. here itself. And see what I'm getting. Then for a while I'll just comment this. So it is giving me true, true. Okay. And then if I check both are true and true, my count should be incrementing to 1. But in the question, what did they give? My nth palindrome, if I give 0, it should return me 2. That means my prime is checking with what? Let me check with the code. Prime, what will I get if it is 2? Two is a prime and 2 is a palindrome. From there, our count should start. That is what they meant. It is a zeroth palindromic prime. Let's see Wikipedia once. I think my power is very less. I should just connect to my charger. Give me a second. A palindromic prime is a prime that is also a palindromic number. So it should start from 2. Okay. So I can start my count, integer checking from 2 instead of doing from 0. And then count will be starting from -1, because for second, 2 number, my count should be count should start from 0. 0th palindrome number, 0th palindromic prime. If I give 0, then I will get a first palindromic prime as 2. So I should give it as a -1. So here what should I give? 0. So it is commented. Now I got 2. Why this many times it is printing? Where did we give print statements? Let me see. Okay. The next number is 1. It is 1, 3. 1, 3, 10. I will try. Sorry. Charging is going down. It's 313. I think I got the test cases right. Now, but the 2 cases, now we'll see with, well, okay. some issue. Python 3 all the test cases passed. The same. Yeah, I am done with the coding. But give me a second. I need to connect the charger. Meanwhile, you can have a look into the code.
Stop recording, ma'am. Ma'am, shall I stop recording, ma'am?
Yeah, but start one more. Stop
Okay.
now and then start again.
Okay.